Welcome everyone. So our today's topic is endocrine glands, location and their function. So in this video we have to study about different types of endocrine glands, their functions, their locations and the hormones which are secreted by these endocrine glands. Okay, so let's study one by one. Class 9 lesson life processes in living organisms. Alright, so before starting the taking the examples of endocrine gland, let's see what they are. Alright, so endocrine glands are ductless glands of the endocrine system that secrete their products, and their products is called as hormones directly into the blood. That means these glands produce different hormones, and these hormones are directly released into the blood, and through the blood they reach to their target cell. Alright, okay, so the major glands of the endocrine system include pineal gland, pituitary gland, pancreas, ovaries, testes, thyroid gland, parathyroid gland, hypothalamus and adrenal gland. So these are the major glands of the endocrine system. So let's study about all these. Okay, so first gland is hypothalamus. Okay, and the location of hypothalamus, it is located above the pituitary gland in the forebrain. Now forebrain, it includes the cerebrum, which is the largest part of the brain, and the hormone which is secreted by this gland is the hypothalamus secretes a hormone which control the activity of the secretory cells of the pituitary gland. All right, so function of hypothalamus controls the pituitary gland. All right, so here you can observe the hypothalamus which is present above the pituitary gland and below the forebrain. Okay, so here this is a proper picture of the hypothalamus gland which secrete the hormones and which control the pituitary gland. All right, okay, so next type of a gland is pituitary gland. All right, so location, it is present at the base of the brain. You all can observe in the picture that this gland is present just at the base of the brain. And hormones, they secrete the hormone like growth hormone, adrenocorticotropic hormone and thyroid stimulating hormone, prolactin, follicle stimulating hormone, luteinizing hormone, oxytocin, antidiuretic hormone. So these all hormones are secreted by the pituitary gland. Now let's study the function of this gland. All right, so first function is these hormones stimulates growth of bones, stimulate adrenal gland. Now adrenal means related to kidney. All right, third function is stimulates thyroid gland, stimulates milk production in female, controls growth of gonads, controls menstrual cycle and ovulation in female, contracts uterus during parturition and regulates water level in the body. So these all are functions performed by the pituitary gland. Now our next hormone is what? Alright, so this is thyroid glands, and location, it is present anterolateral sides of trachea in the neck. Okay, trachea means it is present in the windpipe. And hormones secreted by these thyroid glands are thyroxine, and second one is calcitonin. Now function of these hormones are just control growth of body and metabolic activities, and second function is controls calcium metabolism and calcium level in blood. Okay, now your fourth gland is parathyroid gland. So location, it is present 4 glands behind the thyroid gland. Now in our previous slide we have seen thyroid gland. Okay, so these are the 4 glands behind at the back of thyroid gland. Okay, so hormones secreted by these gland are parathormone. Okay, and functions of these glands, these hormone is to control the metabolism of calcium and phosphorus. Now here you all this is the thyroid gland, and the 4 glands, you can observe here the 4 dotted structures, these are nothing but the parathyroid glands. So our next gland is pancreas. Okay, you can observe here pancreas, this one. So glands pancreas and location behind the stomach, 4 types of a cell. So these pancreas are present behind the stomach, and these includes 4 types of a cell like alpha cells 20%, beta cells 70%, delta cells 5%, and PP cells like PP means pancreatic polypeptide cells or F cells 5%, and hormones secreted by these pancreatic glands are glucagon, insulin, and somatostatin and pancreatic polypeptide. So these all are the hormones secreted by the pancreatic glands. Now function of these hormones are stimulates liver to convert glycagon into glucose. So this is a very important function of this. And second function is stimulates liver to convert excess blood glucose into glycagon. Third function controls level of insulin and glucagon. Fourth function controls movement of intestine and thereby glucose absorption. So these pancreas plays a major role in the diabetic patient. Okay, just to absorb the excess of glucose and convert the excess blood glucose into glycogen. All right. Okay, now next gland is which gland? This is the adrenal gland. Okay, so there are 2 adrenal glands present on each kidney, right adrenal gland and left adrenal gland. So let's see adrenal gland location. It is present anterior end of each kidney. You can observe here these are present at the top part of the each kidney. And hormones secreted by these glands are adrenaline and non-adrenaline. Okay, so function of these glands are controls behavior during crisis and emotional situation. Second function stimulates heart and its conducting tissue and metabolic processes. Third, maintains balance of sodium ion and potassium ion and stimulates metabolism. Next gland is ovary. So these glands present in a female. So location, these ovaries are present on either side of the uterus in woman. Hormones secreted by this ovary are estrogen, progesterone, and function of this hormone are stimulates growth of endometrium. Now endometrium, these are the walls of a uterus in the female. All right. And second function stimulates growth of secondary sexual characteristic in woman. Third, prepares the endometrium for conception and maintains the pregnancy. So here this is the structure of a female reproductive system, in which you can observe here these are the 2 ovaries which are present at the side of uterus. Okay, so there are 2 ovaries and this is a uterus. So ovaries are present at each side on either side of the uterus in woman. All right. Now next gland is testis. So location of testis is in scrotum. That means this present inside the scrotum. And hormone secreted by the testis is testosterone. Function of this hormone is stimulates growth of secondary sexual characteristic like beard, mustaches, horns, voice, etc. in man. Sorry. So here you can observe the testis which is there inside the scrotum. And next gland is thymus gland. And location of thymus gland is present in thoracic cage near the heart. And hormones secreted by this thymus gland is thymosin, and functions are controls the cells which give rise to immunity. Now let's see the structure. Now here you can observe the structure of lungs, larynx, thyroid, trachea, windpipe and all. Okay, so these are present behind the in between the lungs, okay, and near the heart. So this is a thymus gland. So student, I hope you all have understood all these endocrine glands, their function, location and which hormones are secreted by each of the endocrine glands. So I hope you all have understood, and that's it for today's video. Thank you.